I usually have an answer to the question, but this time I'm gonna be quiet.
This is gonna be like an after school special. You gonna learn you gonna learn some shit while I rap to you.
Just like right here, yeah. I know what you mean.
I know what you mean. This is also a museum that could be paid for. Or like free, I don't know. I hardly ever do the museum though. I always do LACCMA because LACCMA's lit. Literally. LACCMA's literally lit. Always remember, LACCMA is literally lit. It's like a horror movie. Like when they going through mazes and shit and they start doing like sharp corners, but you can't see what you looking after. You just did that horror movie shit. No, right? It's lit. It's not lit. It's just like they made us come here for elementary school, and it was like the worst thing. But now that I'm old, I'm like, this shit is dope. Be like 24. How do you feel about
This my nigga. You feel me? It's my great-great-grandfather descendant. You feel me? African descendant. Head ass nigga right here. You feel me? This nigga.
Well, perfect. Because she is.
Oh yeah.
Just like this.
You look at that tag. So this is tar right here. It's like actual tar though. So that's why they make and they put on the pavements at all the elementary schools where you hurt yourself and you burnt yourself. This tar is old.
Ain't they talking like old shit?
Old as shit. Tar is old shit. You heard it here from Stefan. Tar is old shit.
Old people shit.
Oh, another bee came to hang out with me after I got stung by his homies.
Oh yeah, you got that honey, man.
Let's get the it's more like this is the one with like the dinosaurs and stuff in it.
Really?
Yeah, but I don't think the dinosaurs are real. in the pit. I think they put the fake ones in there. They go to naked mole rats. Come on, Rufus. Oh, I might be wrong now. It's Rufus. Yeah, it's right. Yeah, they go to elephants. And there we have the Stegosaurus, Megasaurus, Big Brutus, Boris. His name is Boris.